I keep forgetting that we are running a small hotel.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. And this morning is a special morning because we picked up Zaya. Morning, Zaya. So we have a full car today. Ozzy and Atlas are in the back. Zaya and Ivy are in the middle, and Jackson is in the front. And I keep telling Wayne I think I need a minibus. A minibus? Why not? It's so hard. Put it this way: if I using all of the seats, I have to put the school bags up. I just need like a minivan. Like, why not? Dropping these guys to school, heading to the gym, and then, as usual, trying to get it all done. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this off so that I can play some music for these kiddos, because that's really the fun part. So, bye!
Alright, MTM family, you know, we're up and about and moving. Let me tell you some people, every day I go to my bed happy, and I wake up even happier. Why? Because every day we wake up is another day to make some progress in our room. The workmen are here from early out and then getting the job done. The more days pass is the more work done. So me always feel good going to bed in the night and waking up in the morning knowing say, yeah, we're gonna get some more done and we're gonna closer to getting back into our room and having some peace of mind and knowing that we are comfortable in our space. All of them boxes and all of them couches you can move out of the living room. Because we're supposed to get used to the place, look choco and stay bad. But our intention is to get all of these stuff. All of these things are accessories and things and stuff that we're gonna put into functional use in our space. So we can't wait to get the place clear up and clear out and we have a good night's sleep in our room for the first time. So as we say, another great day to make some progress and to do. Tami just coming back from the gym, so I'm gonna check in with her and see what is on the list of things to do today, because we have a whole heap of things to do. Yeah, until this project we are going busy bad. And after that we'll find something else to busy about. Also, I am uploading the episode with Nige boy, the blind sensation, even though we don't have to define him by being blind because he's outstanding regardless of blind or not. His achievements are outstanding and he inspires all Jamaicans, not just Jamaicans with disabilities. So we have the episode uploaded now, Nige boy and Nige Clark, and may I tell you, the discussion full of substance, full of value. So make sure to check it out. If you don't check it out yet, go over there, go drop a comment and all these things. Alright, thank you please. Tami.
That is, I am my knee.
Where I go out with my G? Gym settings.
Here, Maureen and I blend up. Gym settings, yeah. A lot of people ask why you're not going to the gym anymore, and I think it somehow has something to do with me. And I'm like, no, that's a you thing.
Well, I play pickleball every day.
Exactly.
I don't record that on the vlogs most times, but
Exactly.
I play pickleball every single day. I can't do two of them.
It's true.
That's too much for my body, you see me?
It's true.
So that's why you see me, I keep slim and trim. You know what I'm saying? Slim and trim and now I go at gym.
And you have pretty excellent muscle mass, which is great. Like, you had good muscle mass to begin with.
Yeah, my band thick.
Whatever. No, but
My destined for thick, you know.
You're muscular. So.
No, from a little bit.
Yeah.
My destined for thick. My band with six pack, you know.
How are these?
Yeah, man, from a come out, yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Tami, I tell them, say, I go to bed very happy at night time and I wake up even happier.
Why?
Because it is another day, it is more time, more progress that we get to, and so the sooner we get back into our bedroom,
Can't wait.
you know, and into some
Can we build a chairs
form
today?
of normalcy. Yes, today's chair day. But bigger than that though, what else we have on the list?
We
the
have
agenda?
to buy doors today.
Doors.
I don't know.
Several things.
We have to drop money at school. Tomorrow is letter to my child day at school, so I have to write 3 letters to the children. Every year they do this very sweet thing where parents, all the parents write a letter to their child or their children, and when they go to school they see it on their desk. And so for Ozzy, the teacher will read it to him, but Atlas and Jackson will read their letter, and it's a tradition that they have at that school.
The difference with us and most parents is that most parents only have a 1 or 2 picnic right to, but we have 3.
And then tomorrow is picture day for Ivy. So yeah, and all kind of something.
No, there's things to do.
Remember I tell you, and everything require money. So picture day is not free. Alright, the letter to your child is free, but tomorrow's ice cream day at school. So
Beer tea. Tami, where is you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready, you know.
We have very little time. I have to pick up Zaya today too, by the way.
Okay.
And feel like an old lady when we did that, you see?
No, Tami, trust me, you're over 40 when you know them style. 40 catch you.
Yeah, so about that, you know, we need a washing machine, ice cream people. That the guy is telling me that we need a new washing machine.
Right now it's a cashing machine we need.
Yeah, tell you. We can't bear to go back. But the fact is, and I keep trying to tell Wayne this. You ready for this, people?
Wow.
I keep forgetting that we are running a small hotel. That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah,
we are running a small hotel. That
Can't
means
pass Airbnb.
that means you need hotel grade things. Sorry, I have a Maritino. So you need a hotel grade stove, hotel grade washing machine.
Apparently hotel grade food and chef too.
But you know, one day somebody just gave me this idea the other day. I think that Wayne and I will do very well when we get older to actually host a bed and breakfast.
Tami, me check say that's if you travel the world and do like a lifestyle travel vlog
That too.
and beer things.
But wait, never should buy a bed and breakfast?
2 of them could have go hand in hand.
Because we love people.
Yeah. And
And
we could have
just
traveled the
people,
world
I
too.
want people come and stay with us. I can make them breakfast, tea, they go about their day, do their
With
thing.
us a host people, so?
Yes, it's a bed and breakfast.
No, I must say that's the first cousin then we are host. I can't nobody else outside of that.
That's so random, bro.
Momo,
Ivy and Zai.
where you going with? How my belly stay?
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Are you responsible, belly, you know?
Can't tell you what I want for the belly today.
Cha-cha.
What I say, Thursday the hour.
Oh,
Patty.
bed and breakfast host. What's for breakfast?
Patty's today.
What's for lunch?
Patty not bad to get to the
Patty?
food. Yeah.
Patty can work. She always in the mood for a patty, you know. Once couple week pass and she not eating a patty.
Ben Johnson.
Today what?
Ben Johnson.
What that mean?
Take what you can get.
Ben Johnson?
is when you don't get, it's not the day before payday or something like that.
No, but why they call it so?
No, I heard somebody say that. I'm
Ben
not familiar
Johnson.
with it. I think it's something to do with payday though.
Or yeah, run from something because
Anything you get to eat, you take.
I'm sure MTM family can tell us what
Ben Johnson. Ben Johnson was I think he did have a world record one time. He's a sprinter, you know.
Yeah.
But I think he did have Jamaican.
The pocket week and the grocery week.
Ben Johnson.
So
Ben Johnson.
anything you get to eat. If you get fried dumplings and chocolate tea,
Yeah.
you have it.
And that's what they call it.
Ben Johnson.
I forget to the root of this MTM. Come, MTM town people or country people, tell me about that one day. Ben Johnson, I first meet that one day. I met the boy and love. And I forgot tell me in the comment section if you don't know about that part there. Hello, sweetness Everdeen.
Oh, he just missed her. Hello. There you go.
Hi Zaya,
Hi,
how you doing?
good.
You had a
Good.
great day?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get Ives,
What's
okay?
a fixed ear? No, I can't bother.
Hi, Zai.
Hi.
Cousins for life.
And baby.
As much as them go school together, sometimes they don't really see each other. So
I know they're in different
because when they see each other, it's like a joy for them, you know. Can you say Zaya?
I never heard what you said happened.
Careful.
Ozzy, what happened?
I found my overwash muscle.
You did? Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. You know something bionic on you?
It was in the waiting room.
Thank
It
you,
was in the
Mr.
last
Spence.
time phone.
God
Spare,
bless
that
you,
is a
Mr.
spare one.
Spence.
And when it lasts again, you can have it to use,
That's
okay?
a good
Yeah.
idea, Mr. Spence.
At last, you can leave.
Say thank you, Mr.
So
Spence.
Ozzy,
Tomorrow,
Ozzy, what? Yeah, man, later. Ozzy, what you said happened? What happened?
And also the nurse viewed it. You see the red spot?
Yes, I see the red spot.
You should have put the band on it.
You want me to put a band-aid on it for you when I go home?
It's 13.
Oh gosh, you know mommy gonna take care of you, right? Alright, put on your
gosh.
seatbelt, Pops.
Why is the door on top of the car?
There are doors on top of the car. How did you notice that?
First I came up, then I just came down and I looked front.
You see everything, bro.
I see everything in like the whole entire world.
Alright, put on your seatbelt, please, sir.
Okay?
Wanna make some money, you know that I'm with it. 10 girl breed, you damn right I did it. 3 never sure, someone make sure me did it. What? That's terrible. Lord God. Hear the big song. Content with the girl and me I take cause she have the good love and make me can't left. One burn and me never cheat yet, me no play with fire because me can't take it stress. I know you want me.
Sharing is
But-
caring.
Yeah. Well, I don't catch your style. Me have the married version. Momo, and me have the married version. I know you want me, but you can't have me. I love my wifey. Better you go look Nige. Roses and chocolate. Me bring just because. I love my wifey. Better you go look Nige. Yeah. Tami Chin, she are my favorite. Something about the way how she gyrated. So I'm always thinking of cool ways that we can interact with the MTM family. And I thought to myself, because we spend so much time, or because we spend time reading the comment section, a lot of times we can't really get to it in real time, but we have discussions about comments and how they impact us and whatever. So I figured that we should do like something cool from time to time where we just interact with the comments and just do like some quick
I think it's really important as well to note that like we read the comments. We may not always get around to liking every comment or responding, but we really do. And our video falls at a time of day when it can be tricky for us because we're right in the middle of pickups and then you know life, it lives. But it's one of our favorite parts of what we do is hearing from you. And honestly, the comments are so beautiful, hilarious, sometimes very insightful. Sometimes you see things that we just never noticed.
Exactly.
And it's really been great to kind of see our life through your eyes as well.
All right, so I'm just gonna randomly go through our comments sections on a few of the more recent videos. All right.
Okay.
So this one says, "You are a good mother." All right, us to the world.
You're a good mom.
Yeah.
And then in the next breath, you're so ungrateful.
I know, but kids say the darnest things, and of course, any parents out there with young children who are moving from stage to
They know.
stage, they just end up saying things that you don't expect them to say at the most random times.
By the way, if you hear something in the background, it's not a duppy, it's actually Jackson doing his homework.
Jackson is doing his homework down there.
We're all sharing the office right now.
This comment says, who would like to see the Mitchells spend a day in Momo's world at her home?
Would love that.
Yeah, we did that already,
Yeah.
but we are going to do it again, and that would be fun. That's always a good vibe. Momo community is so like
Nice.
close knit,
Yeah.
and you know everybody know everybody, and it's just it was a great vibe the last time we went, and I think we should go down
Pops
a
always
link
says
soon.
that he would love to head down there and for us to like do a cookout and all that stuff. So we'll make that happen for sure.
Okay, so obviously, as saying you're a good mother was a popular one, because this other comment says, you're a good mother. Oh, that is so sweet. Children live what they learn. They know how to appreciate kindness at all levels. And that's true too. It's always good to create those moments for your children where they can understand kindness and empathy and all of that. This next comment says, I'm in awe of this tall of fame. Good idea. Painters cannot touch that. MTM family.
I keep thinking of ways that I can transfer that Tall of Fame because I'm so scared that something is gonna happen to it. You know, it would be nice to kind of like have it there for the kids when they grow up. Like I need to figure it out. I bet John at Copycat could help me figure that out. So I'm gonna ask him.
Yeah, but that has always been something that has been constant. No matter how the house changes, that always remains. And
you guys have a Tall of Fame in your house? I didn't grow up.
You should think about
it. You should think about it. Yeah.
So this next comment is always a blessing to be here, just to get a glimpse of how life is lifing in the Mitchell household. Continue to pour life lessons into so many of our lives as we learn to navigate the hurdles it brings.
Not nice, eh?
Not nice.
Thanks. I like that.
Yeah.
I always said that, what was really nice about this blog and the most surprising thing is that with any family vlog, being able to see how other families live really can inform so much. And so that's why I always tell people, do your family vlog. Just because they're 20 don't mean you shouldn't do yours, because we need to see examples of how other people do life.
Exactly.
And it doesn't all look the same.
And of course, as you guys are learning and growing, we are learning and growing together. You know what I'm saying? So it's a reciprocal thing, because as we say in the comment section, we get a lot of perspective and different ways to look at things. Some things that we never really were focusing on, we get to see it in a different perspective. So life is life, and we give thanks for the opportunity to share with you guys. Ivy wiping her mouth. Wiping her mouth on the napkin at the restaurant is priceless. Think she's a big man. Laugh out loud.
That made us weep.
Yeah, because the boys never did that.
No.
The boys never took the time to wipe
our mouth.
No.
Like a old lady.
It's interesting to see how different a girl is. We have all boys, so we know how boys are, and now it's just good to experience this new parenting journey.
It's like
as
unlocking
a girl
a new level.
Yeah, for sure.
These comments are so good, and like we said, we love this part of the job. We love this part where we get to we literally do it all the time naturally. We're like, listen to this comment, so funny. But if you see us also looking a little bit like we had such a strange day today, in the sense that we got a couple different things happen today that made us go whoa, and reminded us of the fragility of life. But before we even talk about it, a couple weeks ago we lost a real legend in music, Desi Jones. He was an incredible musician, a drummer, for those of you who don't know, who was responsible for just some of the most amazing music and live performances you've ever heard.
Absolutely. One of the greatest human beings, one of the nicest souls. And I mean that, I've done so much work with Desi, so many rehearsals, done so many great shows with him, just being, and also his musicianship. He was a left-handed drummer that was just so steady, and professional to the fullest. So yes, definitely we lost a great one.
Yeah, and you know, that one was a tough pill for us to swallow. And then, you know, today we heard of DJ Smoke. We don't have the details around his passing, but we just heard that had happened, and it just threw us off because, you know, he's our age.
Yeah.
He's a young guy, and you know, he has a teenage son, and our hearts just go out to his family. I mean, we would bump into Smoke all the time.
Yeah.
And you know, while we knew there were, you know, some health complications that he would share about publicly, it was just so shocking to hear. And so, you know, our hearts are just literally broken for their families, really and truly. And just, you know, and then we saw on Instagram that Basie from TOK said that his car flipped. There was a car accident and he walked away unscathed. But a reminder, you know, that life is fragile.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Well, I always say, if it's one thing MTM family know, I always say, yo, trouble in the set like rain, you never see it coming.
Yeah. And it's kind of just, you know, thrown us off kilter a little bit, because it's just one of those things where you're like, whoa. And you know, something I said to, you know, when I went to the cafe today, where I would bump into Smoke all the time, and you know, everybody in there, they were just saying how it was just so sad. And the craziest thing about any time, and something I witness every time somebody passes, is that the world keeps turning. And that's such a, like, the world doesn't stop, and life keeps lifing. And it's especially hard, you know, for the families that are left behind, the loved ones that are left behind, because you're left with this grief, and what do you do with it? You know, what do we do with this when everything just keeps going? And it's a reminder to us too that, you know, don't put certain things by your head, because the same thing where I put stress by you and I go, you know, the world will keep going.
You have to really, you know, as I said, give thanks for the life. So even just waking up in the morning is enough for you to, you know, approach your day with a positive attitude. Because some people just never get to wake up today. That's the reality of it, you know. So man, it's rough.
Yeah. Again, we're sending our love to their families, and to anybody out there who, you know, is struggling with that grief right now and who's lost a loved one. Our hearts go out to you, because we know what that feels like, and it's just inevitable that we will all experience that type of pain and loss. So much crazy news this week too, you know, so many different things happening, people battling illnesses, children battling illnesses, and it's just wild. I have to give thanks, you know. Anyway, we have homework to do, and dinner time is coming up, and bath time, and you know, we have to approach it with a grateful heart, even the mundane hard stuff. So anyway, guys, hope you have a wonderful weekend. Hope that you spend some time with people you love this weekend and show them you love them. And you know, give thanks in all things. Give thanks.